In this video, we will continue about files and folders. So in this video, I would like to create a file inside a folder, okay? So the first step is you need to import OS operation system, and we will create a folder name, and I will call it data. It's up to you. So folder name, it's data. And I would like to now create a file path. It means the path to the file. So you will use os dot, and you can see that here we have a path. So we will join something together. So I would like to join folder name, and after that, for example, info.txt, it will be the name of my file. So in the end, the result of this will be something like this, data / info.txt, okay? So that's how we will create a path. And now, guys, I guess that you know how to use it. So we will create a folder if it does not exist, okay? So it means if not, os path exists. And which path? So that first, or which folder, folder name. Okay, so we need to check if the folder name exists. So we can see it doesn't here. So here, this OS path exists, so it will be false, and we will change it to true. Okay, so if it doesn't exist, so it means please create it. OS mkdir, so make directory and folder name. Okay, so the directory is the same name for the folder, okay? Directory and folder. So now we will create it. I will run it, and we can see, okay, yes, we have a data. Perfect. But now I would like to continue, and I will delete it, and I would like to create a file there. So create a file in the folder. So it means we know how to create a file, correct? So if I will use with open, and I will open something which it doesn't exist, so it means it will be created, correct? So I will put here the file path. So it means this, okay? Data / info.txt. So it means it will create the data. So it will create the file inside the data folder, and it will call it info.txt because it's here, correct? File path. So we will put it here like this, and now we have some permissions like write, okay? Because if the permission is write and it doesn't exist, the file the info.txt, it will create it. And again, as file. And now I would like to write there something. For example, this is a test file, okay? Something like that. Maybe big T, or it doesn't matter, who cares? So, and here I would like to print something like file path, created successfully. Perfect. So now this will create the folder, this will create the file inside the folder, okay? And here we have some basic settings, folder name and file path. Perfect. So we will see. Run it. You can see file data info.txt created successfully, data, and we have info.txt. Okay, this is the test file, so we have the text here. So the text is from this line. So I hope, guys, that you understand.